Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Angle of elevation, guys, it is the angle formed by the horizontal line. If you are standing in any place and looking upward, it means from your eye on the horizontal, as you are looking upward, we name it angle of elevation. Like these gentlemen who are standing on the tower and they are looking upward. I'm talking about the red angle. Okay, we name it angle of elevation. You can see they are looking on the airplane. So, angle of elevation is the angle formed by the horizontal line of sight. The sight is upward and above the line, like angle measure 1 here. If it's not clear, I can redraw it again. This is angle number 1, clearly. Okay, so this is angle of elevation. It's going where? Upwards. Okay, what about angle of similarly, if you are in the sky on the line of horizontally, like you're in the airplane and looking downwards, it means this is angle of depression, like angle 2, and it is going downward below the line of horizontal. When you are in the airplane, you are sitting on the chair or on the floor of the airplane. We name it line of horizontal there. When you are looking your eyes downwards, it means we name it angle of depression. So angle of depression is the angle formed by a horizontal line and what? And a line of sight who is below. I will hear now. Welcome Ahmed Imad also. Late Ahmed Imad, 8 minutes. Today I will skip lateness just for the technical issue, not more. Okay, guys, so angle of depression here, looking downwards. Okay, guys, so we can see that here, this is angle of elevation. It is above. Silent, guys, please.
Mr.
Yes.
Zain is unable to join the call.
Who?
Zain Abuzar. He's trying to join, but it's not letting him. He's trying to
I didn't see that he attended. He should show me to give him admission. Yes, Faiz now. Welcome, Faiz. Welcome, Faiz. Let them try. Maybe their password is wrong. It's written at 337561 for all of you. Okay. So, yet is the explanation clear for you? Was it clear, guys?
Yes.
Just respond to me. Is it clear or you're just playing around?
337.
To be honest, no.
337 كتبتها.
Guys.
337.
561. خلصنا. We have finished from the password. Can we focus on the lesson? Can we focus on the lesson, guys? Please? Can you hear me all?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. I'm repeating for the last time because then Zeno didn't understand. I am repeating for Ahmed Imad, for Ahmed Muhammad, for Faiz, for Abdurrahman who came just after 10 minutes. Anyhow, all of you leave what's in your hand and focus with me, all of you. I'm repeating for the last time so we can make a practice. Now, the question here, guys, we have two kind of angles here. Angle of depression and angle of elevation. What is the meaning of them today is our lesson. Solving problems involving these angles of elevation and angles of depression. Angle of elevation, it is the angle from the horizontal as you are standing, and the sight is upwards. Like angle measure 1 here, you can see it. Okay, like the red one, angle 1 in red line. When you are standing in the tower, it's going upwards. So this is angle of elevation, and it said here angle of elevation we are looking above. Angle of depression, when you are in the sky and the line of horizontal, you are in the airplane and you are looking downwards. Okay, that's why we name it depression. The word depression, vocabulary depression means down or reducing. So when your sight is going downwards to the ground, from the sky downward, like the green angle, angle number 2, we name it angle of depression. Was that clear, guys? Was this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. From here, let us connect this to the last lesson, 8.3, which is trigonometric ratios and how we can do an example. You can see here, page 2. An air traffic controller at an airport site, a plane at an angle of elevation of 41. So all of us immediately, we can draw here a simple thing, saying that there is a guy here. There is a guy here who is standing. And his sight is this direction. So we name it angle of what, all of us? We name it angle of elevation. Okay, we name it angle of elevation, which is 41, you can see here. So our angle of elevation is 41, as you can see. It means from the ground going upwards, angle of elevation. Elevation, like elevator going up, stairs upwards. Okay, depression means down. In this example, we are starting the meaning of elevation. It means from your side, from your standing upwards. Okay, guys, like the sight of this boy when I draw it. This pilot or the pilot reports that the plane's altitude is 4,000 feet. All of us knows that the altitude, the meaning of that to us, altitude, it means the height. So our height here, it's this part. Altitude, it's 4,000 feet. Now we have the opposite, we have a triangle, guys. From this, we can draw a triangle. When he is standing, angle of elevation means there is an angle. How I should draw? I draw immediately angle of elevation 41. And then I say I have a height like this one. And the height is 4,000. And here I have the triangle you can see here. Definitely it is a right, the height is perpendicular. It means I have a right triangle. So what are the informations I have? Yet I have the angle of elevation and I have the opposite side, which is 4,000 feet. Angle of elevation is 41. The opposite side height is 4,000 feet. The question is, what is the horizontal distance between the plane and the airport? It means between the plane, what is the horizontal distance as the, what is the horizontal distance between the plane, guys, and the airport? So immediately when I have, for the, this is the plane. If I have a plane, so from the moment I know that this is the airport ground, from here, this is the airport, guys, or the pilot. Pilot means airplane. So here is this point is this point, guys, is the airport ground. I want to know the distance. This is what I want to know. I want to know A. Guys, what this explanation was yet understood before I start solving? Is it clear?
Yeah, but Mr. Zain still, he's putting the right password, but it's not letting him join the call.
Maybe his password is wrong. It's in the
No.
screen. It's in front of you.
Keep it the same one.
337 561. You
I
can
sent
see
him
it.
that code, Mr. It's not working. I sent him that code.
Maybe he's not using it. Tell him to use it. Shall I proceed, guys? So now,
Mr.
to solve it, guys, immediately, we have here, all of us, we have to find A, the distance. We have information, angle is 41 and O. All of us, guys, all of us, we know that we have something called Sokatua. By hands, which one we gonna use? OH, AH, or OA? Which one? And according to that, answer me. Only Namir? Yes, Namir, answer.
Tan. For this question, right? Example
Definitely,
2.
yes. It's clear, it's
Tan.
tangent. We're gonna use the tangent, excellent. So we can see we have here tangent, and we are using the tangent, and you can see that the tan here is of 41 is O over A, or 4,000 over X. 4,000 over X. And then we want to find X, so we're gonna switch X is equal 4,000 divided by tangent 41. Please, all of you, use your calculators to check. Divide 4,000 by tangent 41, all of you. 4,000 divided by tangent 41 is equal approximately, who can tell me?
Syntax error.
Habibi, 4,000 divided by tangent 41. Who can tell me exactly how much it is?
4,601.47.
Excellent, Faiz. 4,641.47. And they said to the nearest, the question is to the nearest foot. It means we ignore the 0.47, which is equal 4,601, as you can see, all of you here, which is the distance of,
an error.
maybe you have something wrong in your calculator, Zain.
زين ما تسوي زين ما تسوي شيفت تانجنت، تسوي بس
لا ما
tangent.
عم بعملها.
Guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Leave Zeno try with himself.
Mr.
Others, is it clear?
Yes.
All of you, is it clear? You're not responding. Only Faiz is responding. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Good. Good. So that is the first example. Let us take another example. Let us try for ourselves. Let us try another example for us. So they said here, try this. Here we have. What if? Suppose that the plane is an altitude of 3,500. Let us do it together, guys. I'm drawing on the left side the triangle. All of you are listening to me. All of you are listening to me.
Yes.
All of you are listening to me. Not only Namir.
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Zeno, did you understand? He's not responding.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Good. So let us do this example, please. Suppose that the plane is at an altitude of what? 3,500 feet. Means we have a height of 3,500. Okay? We have a height of 3,500. So I'm drawing a straight line of 3,500. And an angle of elevation from the airport to the plane is 29. Again, angle of elevation. What does it mean? We have to draw angle of elevation, and all of us, we have to make here and underline this word. We have angle of elevation, all of us. So from here I will draw, I'm going to have this. Here I'm going to draw a line. And another one. Okay, guys. So from here, I'm going to have a triangle. Welcome, Zain Tariq. Finally. So I'm going to have here, guys, I have a triangle clearly.
Sure.
So I'm going to have, guys, here at the angle here, all of us, please. Angle of elevation is 29. You can see it is a 29 degree. And the height here is, you can see it is
خلاص طيب.
3,500 feet. Who can calculate for me the distance? He said, what is the horizontal distance between the plane and the airport? They want to know the distance.
Mr. 6,314.167143.
Which ratio you are using? Namir?
Tangent.
Again, why tangent?
Tangent.
I want someone else to answer me. Well done, Namir. Let us check your claim. Raise your hands who can show me the answer why it is like this. I don't see hands except Namir. Others are dead. Rami Marwan. Rami Marwan. Come on, this is waste of time, wallah. Ali Firas. Ali Firas, can you answer?
Can I answer, sir?
Yes, Zian, answer.
Sir, 700.
Which one we gonna use? Sine or cosine or tangent and why?
Tangent, sir.
Excellent, why?
Sir, we will use tangent, so it will be 732.
No, why the tangent?
Sir,
It's angle of elevation.
yeah.
No. I want the reason why the tangent, why not the sine, why not the cosine? Tell me why, guys.
Mister, because we're trying to find the adjacent.
I know, Namir, answer, because only Namir is here, others are dead.
نعم نعم مستر.
Ahmed Imad, where are you? No one is responding, only Namir here.
أنا مستر.
Faiz, yes, tell me Faiz, Habibi.
ليش هي tangent؟
Yes, why tangent?
عشان tangent is the opposite.
Excellent, because the tangent here we have the opposite.
Yes.
Tangent here we have the opposite. And the adjacent, right? Excellent. So because we are using now the opposite and the adjacent, that's why we are using the tangent. So we're gonna say, as Namir said, tangent tan 29 is equal O over A. And then we're gonna continue tangent 29 is equal to 3,500 over X or A. And then we're gonna switch. X is equal 3,500 divided by tangent 29. All of you divide with me. 3,500 divided by...
It's 6,314.16. No, 0.17.
Excellent. Yeah. It's equal to 6,314.16.
Yes.
استغفر الله العظيم. 0.16, which is equal almost 6,314 feet or yard. Here we have feet. Excellent, Faiz, well done. Guys, was this example understood? You can see the answer is here. Was it understood, guys? Was this understood?
Yes, yes.
Was this example understood?
Are you crazy? Mama doesn't drink orange
Guys,
fine, it's hot spoonful. Huh? It's hot spoonful.
Silent, please. I want you to answer me, please, all of you. I'm asking I'm asking you guys, was this understood? Answer me, please. Again, is this understood,
mister.
guys?
Yes, yes, yes.
Who's saying yes? Only one? I want all of you to answer. Is it understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Good. So we realize from here how we can make the triangle to find the missing side by angle, using angle of elevation here and the altitude. Okay? We have solved this and we have realized here clearly from the previous two examples solved together. Now we understood the meaning of how we can use angle of elevation. Now let us go. We still have time, around 8 minutes to practice to find angle of depression. Who can answer me, guys? Who would like to participate to do angle of depression here? Let me see hands. I want to see hands in the system. No one is responding. Can you hear? Guys, why you're not responding?
Morning, sir.
We can hear you, mister.
Okay, I want to see hands in the system. Good morning, Ms. Mason. Okay, guys. I don't see hands in the panel. Yes, Zain Abu Zar. Answer Zain Abu Zar. You have a question? Zain Abu Zar, you have a question?
No, you said if you want to answer.
Let us do together this example. Zain Abu Zar. You can hear me?
Yes, Mr. But your voice is laggy.
Doesn't matter now. Let us do together this one. We can see here a forest ranger in a 90-foot observation tower. It means 90 foot. It means the height is 90. You see?
Mr. I can see, Mr. Yeah.
You are with me, Zain? You are with me?
Yes, Mr. I'm with you, yeah.
Okay. So we can see here that a 90-foot observation tower, what does it mean? A ranger of 90 foot? It means the height is what?
90 feet.
Is 90 feet. This is the height. Sees a fire. So from this tower, they are looking at a fire. The angle of depression to the fire is 7 degrees. Immediately, we do that. We do a horizontal line like this one. This is a horizontal line.
Okay.
And from this, we have the angle going downwards. And this angle is 7 degrees, you can see here. Angle
Yes,
of
yes.
depression, as you can see here, guys.
Yes.
The question is, what is the horizontal distance between the tower and the fire? What is the horizontal distance between that
So you do
tower
10.
and this fire? They name it here clearly what? X.
Okay. To
So
find X, you have to...
the question is how we can know which angle we are dealing with. Immediately, how we can do it.
You do the tangent of the angle of depression.
Why? Excellent. The question is why?
Because there's only opposite and adjacent. There isn't a
Opposite and adjacent
obvious.
to it. Opposite and
Okay.
adjacent to it. Immediately,
it would be
guys, just let me explain this one. We have alternate interior angles. The alternate interior angles is this one, and this is the 7. Alternately, this is the 7. And this gonna be, right or not? If I am doing opposite to the angle 7 over adjacent, so the opposite is gonna be 90 feet
I'm answering.
over x as it's named. So yes, and continue.
It would be tangent angle of depression, so tangent 7 over equals to 90 over x.
The opposite over excellent, because
90
the
over
tangent,
x.
all of us know that the tangent of theta is equal opposite over adjacent.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then we can swap around x with tangent 7. So
yes, tangent 7
it would be 90
equal
over
90
tangent 7.
over x, and we can switch as it was
Yes.
switched here, saying that x is equal 90 divided by tangent 7, and the answer is
732.9, so it will be 733.
excellent. 90 divided by tangent 7, 700. The answer is 732.99, which is equal exactly, or approximately, sorry, 733 feet as the measure, the unit measure. Was this, guys, understood?